Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank and I will be the man behind the camera. Oh yes boys, it's time to make my Xc70 T6 way louder. If you guys have been following this build all along, you know that this is the cherry on top of the sundae. My Xc70 T6 has gone through a full, complete transformation. That's with wheels, suspension, paint, a bunch of LED upgrades, and a bunch of other visual upgrades that we're gonna be doing to the car very, very soon. But today, we're taking care of one of the biggest issues with the Xc70, and it's exhaust. If you guys remember, last summer, we actually went and done a very, very quick exhaust just to give it a better look with the 4-inch tips. But now we're gonna take the car to a proper fabrication shop, which is gonna fabricate us not only a full custom 3-inch exhaust to unleash the roar of this beautiful inline-6 turbo engine by Volvo, but also 3.5-inch catless downpipe that will help us furthermore at the end of the summer, beginning of next summer, to push more horsepower out of the Xc70. Because if you guys remember, the goal with this build was to sit around 350 to 400 crank horsepower, and we're gonna be attaining that with the help of a catless downpipe. Let's get a cold start and let's get headed to the fabrication shop. Alrighty guys, here I am at ATL Fabrication. Alex is gonna use the special sauce and do some pretty insane stuff on the Xc70. We've been talking and his work is pretty insane guys, so I can't wait to hear it. I'm in a little bit of a debate right now since we're going catless for the downpipe. It is gonna be very, very loud, so what we're thinking, what Alex is thinking, is to put the bottleneck style resonators right after the downpipe and then add maybe 2 small ultra quiet mufflers in the back or 1 big one, and that's what we're still debating on. We're gonna go back and talk with him and see what we can do with that. This thing's gonna be pretty rowdy boys, under throttle. I believe the Xc70 is gonna be the loudest car I own on the channel, and you guys know the V8 is one loud beast. So man, she's sitting pretty over here guys with the Wed's Maverick 709M, body matched fenders. This project's coming to life guys, surely but slowly. I'll have the nicest Xc70 on planet Earth. That's my goal. Let's get a couple of clips of the Xc70. We're leaving the car here for 3 days and we'll be back at the end of this week to pick it up. So hopefully you guys enjoy these few B-rolls.
Stay the night. Pity how you work hard for me, but forgetting how to talk. Nah, I don't like no humble beats. Just go and spice it up. Now it's time to marinate, and right after we're done, I like it when you're looking like that. I like it when you shit, chat shit. I like it when you're looking like that. Oh, shut your front to my reaction.
Alrighty guys, everything is now completed. What an absolute beautiful work. I wanted to say a huge thank you to ATL Fabrication. Had quite a little bit of issues. The time frames, unfortunately, were not respected because of a bunch of stuff that happened that we couldn't predict, but the car is ready. Time to make you guys hear what it sounds like. So what I decided to go with finally was gonna be a 3.5-inch catless downpipe. It's a 1-to-1, so 1-to-1 means one single pipe from the turbo all the way out to the exhaust itself. So the whole downpipe is a 1-to-1 versus OEM, which they are actually, and it's a 1-to-2. So that will change maybe a little bit of the sound. We'll see, hopefully it does. But most importantly is the actual exhaust part. We went for a 3-inch all the way from the downpipe to the tips in the back, which are 4 inches. That's probably one of the biggest exhausts ever fitted on an Xc70, and it sounds insane. I cannot wait for you guys to hear this bad boy. So in the back, we have 2 ultra quiet mufflers. So we're gonna go to a private parking lot, get a couple of first to second gear pulls, and then we'll take you guys onto the 360 POV on the highway. Enjoy. Wow, what a difference, Tank Garage fam. The XC70 now sounds as good as it looks. We still got one thing that doesn't match the look and the sound, and that's the performance. And we're gonna get into that hopefully in the next few weeks, where we will be tuning. I might be lucky enough to get a dyno session with this little bad boy and see how much we can push on the stock turbo. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. See ya, boys.